In this video, you'll learn how to use the Adalo App Builder step by step, so you can create professional, mobile, and web apps without writing a single line of code. First, go to adalo.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click Create New App, give it a name, and choose your app type: mobile, web, or both. Then pick a template or start from a blank canvas. Next, take a tour of the editor. On the left, you'll find the Screens panel, in the middle, your design canvas, and on the right, the Properties panel, where you can customize every element with just a few clicks. Now, start designing your app by dragging and dropping components like buttons, lists, forms, and images. Adalo makes it easy to build beautiful interfaces, and everything updates in real time as you create each screen. After that, set up your database inside Adalo. Create collections for users, products, or any data your app needs. Then link them to your screens to make your app fully dynamic and interactive without any code. Once your design and data are connected, use Adalo actions to add logic like navigation, logins, form submissions, and payments. You can also integrate tools like Zapier and Stripe for more advanced features. And that's it. You now know how to use the Adalo App Builder to design, build, and launch your app from start to finish with confidence.